Good day everyone, I'm CLAUDE-OSI. In this video, I'll be talking about intersection of set. But before we look at intersection of set, I'll first define what set is all about. Amen? Okay, let us look at set. Let's define set. Before I define set, let's go back to, for those of us who are footballers, let's go back to where we normally play football, most especially five-a-side. You will discover that anytime you want to play five-a-side, if the crowd is too much, we will now split the number of persons who are present here into different teams. Two of us. Somebody will say I1, the other person will say I2, I3, I4 to I5, isn't it? Yes. Now, this person I1 will pick, I2 will pick until it will pick randomly everybody to form a team. Now, that is a set. So it implies that you are applying mathematics in every day of your life. Every now and then we apply mathematics unknown to us. That is mathematics you are applying. So now let us define sets theoretically. Set is a collection of data. It is a collection of data or objects that is well defined. Amen. Amen. That is well defined. And note that set is denoted with capital letter and with curly bracket. What do I mean by capital letter? A set is of this form and curly bracket, assuming this is a set. So it means this set contains A, B, and C. Amen. Please note that this is a curly bracket or brace bracket. Is that clear? It is either curly or brace bracket. Take note. Brace bracket or curly. Is that clear? And note that sets can never be in this form. Please take note. Set is not a bracket. Please take note. Is that clear? And set can never be A equals to. Take note that this is not a set. Please. A set must be denoted a capital letter. Is that clear? This must be a capital letter. Are you following? Please take notes. So if you come across something like this, this is not a set. And these sets that are inside, we call them elements. Is that clear? These are the elements we refer to. Are you following? So now, I told you people that I'll be talking about intersection of sets. So now, let's look at intersection of sets. Let us look at intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Amen. Okay. Now, when we say intersection of sets, let us look at it in real life. Amen. We are going to look at it this way. Let's use John and let us use Victor. Those ones are guys, two of us. Now, we assume that there are two sets. Victor is set on his own, John is set on his own, isn't it? Okay, now let's look at, let us include one female. Let us use Esther, amen, as an example. Okay, now, if Victor is dating Esther and John, unknown to them, they are dating, John too is dating Esther. If we want to look at it mathematically, amen, the intersection between John and Victor is Esther, because Esther is common among them. So it implies that that is an intersection of sets. The intersection between Victor and John is who? Is Esther. Amen? Okay. So now, let's look at it mathematically. Given two sets, A is equals to A, B, C, and B is equals to C, D. Then the intersection between A and B. Before we look at this problem, intersection of set is denoted this way. This means intersection. So when we are talking about A intersect B, A intersect B, this is how it's denoted. Is that clear? So please take note. So now, the intersection between A and B, we'll now say find A intersect B. Amen? So let's write solution. Let's write solution. Our A, set A, is given as A, B, C. Amen? And set B is given as C, D. Amen? So A intersect B will now be equals to, look at it. Look at the two sets. In set A contains A, B, C. In set B contains C, D. Look at the two sets. What is common in A set A and B? You discover that we have A here and we don't have A here. We have B here and we don't have B here. But we have C here, we also have C here. So it means the intersection of A and B is what? C. Because C is common among the two sets. Like the example I gave first. When two people are dating a particular girl, you know that notice that the girl is common among them. So the intersection of the two guys is that girl. Thank you and God bless you.